Hey everybody, it's your girl Abby from Twist Me Pretty. Welcome back to my channel. First off, I'm sorry I've been kind of quiet over on YouTube, I feel like, and kind of everywhere. After the 30 hairstyles in 30 days challenge, I just had to decompress and school started for my kids. You guys, they're back at school. Summer's officially over! Like, I can't get over it. So in lieu of all of that, I thought I would share 3 really cute back to school hairstyles with gliss today. They're really cute, fast, easy to whip up. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe below, and let's jump into it. Before I share these tutorials with you, I thought I would kind of quickly run you through my routine and what I use to get my hair to this point so that it's nice and curled and ready to be braided. So I'm washing my hair with the Gliss Color Guard shampoo and conditioner. You guys, I love these products so much. They're made with hair identical keratin, so the product goes in and rebuilds the hair from the inside out. So it's safe on color. If you guys see this in the stores, just make sure to check it out. I know you'll love it as much as I do. And then after I've washed my hair, I'm just gonna towel it dry with a microfiber towel. That's gonna help reduce any frizz. And then I like to spritz the Gliss leave-in conditioner all over. After that, I'm gonna throw in some Alterna Caviar cream. I love this stuff. And then just blow it dry with a paddle brush. So after it's dry, I'm gonna spritz some Chlorine Protective Oil in it, which makes it super soft. And then I'm just gonna use a 32mm wand, and I'm wrapping 1-inch sections around it to get those really pretty waves. After all that, you can either paddle brush through the curls, or I like to just run my fingers through these curls to separate them. And then you're gonna use some texture spray or some dry shampoo or some hairspray, just some sort of product that's gonna add texture and grit back into the hair so that it's ready to be braided. So I'll make sure to link all my favorites up below, and let's start braiding, guys. Okay, so take a section of hair from one side and split it into 2, and we're just gonna start a regular fishtail braid. So using your index finger, you're gonna snag a small sliver of hair from the back of the back section, and then just rotate your wrist and pass it under its section, and then combine it with that front section. And then you're gonna snag a small sliver of hair from the front of the front section, rotate your wrist and pass it under its section, and combine it with the back section. We're just gonna repeat these steps, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed things up here, but if you need a tutorial that goes into a little bit more depth, I'll make sure to link one up in the I button right there or in the description box. Make sure that you're angling the braid back so that you don't have any bubbles or weird bumps in your hair when you go to try to finish this style. When you get to the end, go ahead and tie it off with a clear elastic. I like to place it about 1 inch or so below where the braid ends, and that's gonna help me stretch the braid. You're gonna start at the bottom and just gently massage those sections, kind of work your way up to the top until you have a stretched out, more full looking braid. Mine gets a little bit fuzzy because I'm really stretching this braid out wide, but you can choose to keep it smaller or bigger, kind of whatever your preference is. And then we're gonna move on and repeat it on the other side. So by this point, you should have 2 fishtail braids right up top that are angled back, and then we're just gonna drape them over the crown. Go ahead and secure the braids with a clear elastic, and then remove the elastics from the braids so you just have 1 elastic remaining. And then you can go ahead and dress it up with a headscarf. I'm just wrapping this one through the middle there a few times, or I thought this ribbon was really cute, so I'm just basically knotting it around into a bow. So let me know which one is your favorite, the floral headscarf or the white ribbon. For hairstyle number 2, we're gonna start our hair in a ponytail, just as high or as low as you'd like, and then go ahead and section off a chunk of hair from the top of that ponytail. This is maybe 1 inch or so in thickness, and then a few inches down, you're gonna tie an elastic around that section. You're gonna split that section in half so that you can kind of reach your fingers through the hole there and pull the bottom section, so the thicker part of the ponytail, up and through that hole. Then you can go ahead and stretch out those 2 sections, and we're gonna repeat. And this is a pull-through braid. I haven't done one of these in forever. So one more time, you're gonna take a 1-inch section from the top of the ponytail, tie a clear elastic a few inches down, and then you're gonna go ahead and split it in half and pull that bottom section up and through. About 4 stitches down, I'm just tying a white ribbon around the ponytail, and I wanted to do this now because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like the ribbon or if I should tie some hair around it. But I liked the ribbon, so we're gonna keep on going. What do you guys think about hairstyle number 2? I think it's so super cute. It's honestly been a long time since I've done a pull-through braid, so let me know in the comments below if you think I should share a few more ways to style the pull-through braid. And on to the last hairstyle, my personal favorite. What we're gonna do is a Dutch braid first. So just take a small section from the top and split it into 3 equal sections. And then we're gonna braid the outer strands under the middle. So the left section goes under the middle, and then the right section goes under the middle, and then we're just gonna add in new sections of hair. So all your sections should be in your right hand, and with your free hand, you're gonna add in a new section to the left strand, braid it under the middle, put all 3 sections into your left hand, and with your right hand you're gonna add a new section to the right section and braid it under the middle. And we're just gonna go a few stitches down, kind of pulling hair from the center, so I'm not grabbing those front sections of hair. And then when you reach the middle, go ahead and just do a regular 3-strand braid all the way down. Stretch the braid out until it's how you like, and then tie it off with a clear elastic. From here, we're just gonna bring in those sections from the front and sweep them over the braid. And you can see here that I'm using my index finger as a placeholder to kind of pivot the hair back around so that the tail is facing down. And then we're just gonna pin it in place with a bobby pin or 2 and repeat on the other side. And that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what one was your favorite, 1, 2, or 3. And then what are you most looking forward to about going back to school, or your kids going back to school? I wanna know, and I love you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.